In today's video, I'd like to discuss with you the most recent news on Bitcoin, Elon Musk, and Twitter, as well as higher cap and lower cap crypto coins. Let's all talk about these and more. Welcome to Cryptique, a channel that gives critical evaluation or analysis, especially in dealing with crypto. Everything regarding money, finance, investing, cryptocurrency, and blockchain-related topics including ICOs, NFTs, and yield farming. Let's take a look at Bitcoin first. Grayscale continues to fight for a Bitcoin spot ETF with the SEC. Only Bitcoin futures ETFs have been approved by the Securities and Exchange Commission so far. The greatest distinction between spot ETFs and other exchange-traded funds is that the contracts must be settled in actual Bitcoin. It signifies that the ETF has to purchase and hold actual Bitcoin instead of futures, where you can just speculate on future prices without ever having to hold Bitcoin. Grayscale is extremely optimistic that this one will be authorized based on some fresh facts, and here's why. Grayscale's attorneys argued in a letter to the Securities and Exchange Commission this week that the way the SEC authorized the fourth Bitcoin futures ETF, Teucrium, at the beginning of this month paved the way for a Bitcoin spot ETF. So, they say the SEC just set a precedent, deals with the 1940s against the 1933 Act. This is going to sound a little difficult, but bear with me. The first three Bitcoin futures ETFs were approved by the Securities and Exchange Commission under the Investment Company Act of 1940, according to Grayscale's counsel. The Teucrium ETF, on the other hand, was approved under the Securities Act of 1933, a first. We believe that Teucrium order underscores the essential premise that comes to approving exchange-traded products, according to Grayscale's attorneys. There is no reason to differentiate between spot Bitcoin and Bitcoin futures products. Amazing! If this is authorized, it could be that Bitcoin spark we've been waiting for. The SEC will most likely make a decision on Grayscale's ETF application in July. Grayscale CEO has stated that if the proposal is rejected, he may consider suing the SEC. So everything is coming to a climax, something to monitor on your radar. Elon Musk, Twitter, and the crypto market are the subjects of the following piece of news. Dogecoin jumps after claims that Elon Musk bought Twitter last week. As a result of a buyout agreement between Twitter and Elon Musk, this has transpired. What was the reaction of the crypto market? Following the news of the purchase, the renowned meme coin Dogecoin has risen for more than 15% in the last week. Actually, the stock of Twitter increased by considerably more than 5%. What does this imply for you as a Twitter user or a crypto investor, now that the story is out? I hope that even my harshest critics remain on Twitter, since that is what free expression entails, Elon Musk said last week. So, comment below with your thoughts on this. Any action that reduces censorship and encourages freedom, in my opinion, is beneficial. According to the latest Ethereum news, the Bored Ape Yacht Club's official Instagram and Discord accounts have both been hacked. Do not click on their account URLs. Last Monday, their servers were both hijacked and followers were provided an unofficial mint link. According to a tweet from the BAYC, there is no mint today since BAYC's Instagram appears to have been hacked. Anything that may be mint, clicked, or linked to your wallet should not be done. And in case you're curious, what was the hook the hackers promised on BAYC's Instagram followers if they clicked on the link? Users could disembark in the Bored Ape Yacht Club's new other side meta, which is set to premiere later next week, according to the fake link. So that was debate in their next metaverse, about which we don't have many details. It was obviously a hoax. The hackers are thought to have stolen roughly 54 NFTs worth around $13.7 million. Please consider this a warning story. Let's discuss altcoins next. Shiba Inu has launched a burning gateway to reward holders of SHIB tokens. As a result, the SHIB ecosystem has received a significant improvement. The creators of the famous meme coin Shiba Inu have announced a new token burning mechanism that would reduce the circulating supply while compensating holders with a yield-generating token. Over the weekend, the SHIB burning portal became live, with the team stating on Monday that over 8 billion tokens had already been burned. It is currently almost 12 billion tokens. Why would someone do such a thing? Yes, it increases the scarcity of everyone else's tokens, but you lose your tokens. So, what motivates you to burn your tokens? The SHIB burning portal was created in partnership with Ryoshi's Vision, also known as Ryoshi, an ERC20 token dedicated for promoting the SHIB ecosystem's growth. Users that choose to burn their Shiba tokens are issued a burnt SHIB token, which pays out prizes in Ryoshi tokens at varied rates. The holders of burnt SHIB tokens will receive 0.49% of all Ryoshi transactions as per the developers. Wow! Crypto is undergoing a lot of testing. Please comment below with your thoughts on this. In other lower cap altcoin news, security experts warn that STEPN impersonators are collecting user seed phrases. As a result, take this as a warning. Do not allow hackers to obtain your seed phrases. To refresh your memory, STEPN is a Solana-based game in which players begin by purchasing non-fungible tokens, such as NFT shoes. While there is a lot of play-to-earn buzz in the crypto realm, STEPN is more like work out to earn or walk to earn. The program tracks users' movements using their phone's GPS and rewards them with in-game coins known as Green Gatoshi tokens or GSTs. Users can then exchange these coins for USDC or SOL to cash out. That concludes STEPN. However, today's news is as follows. On Monday, PeckShield, a leading blockchain security startup, discovered multiple phishing websites for the Web3 lifestyle app STEPN. Users were signing up their wallets for possible scam prizes, similar to the Bored Ape Yacht Club news we discussed earlier, or simply signing transactions and handing over their money to phishing criminals. Injective is the next piece of cryptocurrency news. With the Bored Ape Yacht Club or Wrapped F listing, Injective Pro, the leading derivatives DEX founded on Objective, has become the first exchange to create an NFT floor price perpetual market. It implies that for as low as $1, consumers can trade the renowned Bored Ape Club collection. This is what you want to see if you believe in a decentralized future. Essentially, they're fixing the problem of the Bored Ape Club's multi-hundreds of thousands of dollars NFT price tag, which has certainly kept most people out of the elite club. Now, on Injected Pro, Bored Ape Club's floor price is perpetual. This lowers the entrance barrier by allowing users to trade based on the collection's floor price rather than having to buy the NFT. Again, we have capabilities like this on centralized exchanges, but not necessarily for Bored Ape Club yet. It's exciting to watch decentralized derivative exchanges deploy, upgrade, and add value to its users. So, if you think this video has clarified some things for you, please consider liking it and clicking that bell button to be notified of our videos. Also, you might want to consider subscribing to our channel. It'll really help us out. Back to our video. Our next set of news involves the Elrond ecosystem. We're thrilled to share the news that you've been waiting for. Ethereum is coming to the Mayer exchange. If you enjoy eGold, you'll enjoy this. And just to give you some background on Ethereum, which I own a token for, it supports data ownership in Web3 and Metaverse ecosystems. It helps you to build new market value for your data by using decentralized data brokerage technologies. If that's not clear, it's a suite of features that allow high-value data to be linked from Web 2 to Web 3 while keeping you in control and then transferred via peer-to-peer sales. Our data NFTs enable you to fully own and command your data. Moreover, our NFMe ID technology enables you to engage yourself in the metaverse, a NFT depiction of your data on the blockchain, says the company. This is an element of the Elrond ecology, and it's always interesting to see it grow. Finally, OpenSea has some news for Ethereum. In their quest for pro users, OpenSea has just purchased the Ethereum NFT aggregator Gem. So, Gem, the company's name, allows consumers to buy NFTs in bulk from several platforms to save money on fees, and OpenSea intends to integrate its features. This is intriguing since it implies that OpenSea will soon offer a Pro version, similar to Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. Perhaps two versions of OpenSea and OpenSea Pro will be released. As the NFT community increases, we've seen a need to better serve more advanced Pro users and offer greater freedom and choice to people at all levels of experience, according to OpenSea. And just to put things in perspective, Gem is a single platform that integrates multiple NFT markets, such as OpenSea, looks rare and rareable, and allows users to buy assets from any of them in one transaction. It's fantastic to see this. It's exciting to watch the Ethereum NFT ecosystem evolve. And with that, this concludes our video. Acquired a lot of knowledge from this, we recommend checking out our other relevant videos from our channel. Also, consider sharing this video to any friends or family members who might find it useful. Until next time!